Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy antivirus software with Bitdefender step by step clearly. To begin deploying Bitdefender antivirus software, ensure you have administrative access to the target machines. First, access the Bitdefender Management Console. Navigate to the Deployment section within the console. Choose the option to add new devices. Select the operating system type of the machines you want to deploy to. Download the appropriate installation package for that operating system. Once downloaded, open the installation package. Follow the prompts to initiate the installation process. When prompted, enter your Bitdefender license key. Customize the installation settings according to your organization's requirements. In the deployment options, select whether to install on a single device or multiple devices. For multiple devices, choose the groups or devices you want to target. Confirm the installation settings and proceed with the deployment. Monitor the deployment progress within the management console. Once installation is complete, verify the software's functionality on each device. Conduct a system scan to ensure the antivirus is operational. Configure the update settings to keep the antivirus database current. Review the security policies and make adjustments as necessary. Finally, generate a report to document the deployment process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.